Welcome to the top best. The best Christmas gifts is probably one of the most anticipated and cherished aspects of the holiday season, bringing joy and excitement to people of all ages as they search for the perfect presents to express their love and appreciation for their family and friends, making this festive period a truly magical time filled with thoughtful gestures and unforgettable moments that create lasting memories. Number 5. Columbia Men's RFID Trifold Wallet. Introducing the Columbia Men's RFID Trifold Wallet. Designed for the modern man, it offers advanced protection for your cards and cash. Equipped with RFID blocking technology, this wallet safeguards your sensitive information from unauthorized scans. Keep your data safe wherever you go. Its classic trifold design provides ample space for all your essentials. Easily organize your cards, cash, and ID in dedicated compartments. Crafted from high-quality materials, it ensures long-lasting durability and a sophisticated look. This wallet is built to withstand daily wear and tear. Compact and lightweight, it fits comfortably in your pocket or bag. It's the ideal accessory for everyday use, travel, and business. What we like? This wallet offers excellent RFID protection to keep your cards safe. It's made from genuine leather for a premium feel and has a slim design that won't bulk up your pockets. If you're looking for a stylish and secure way to carry your essentials, this is a great choice. What people say. This is a fantastic gift for my daughter. She is 5 years old and she loves it. It is easy to assemble and the instructions are clear. The toy is very durable and well made. It has survived many tumbles and drops without any damage. My son has been playing with this toy for hours. He loves the different features and the interactive elements. Number 4. RAFFIN Beard Kit for Men. Introducing the RAFFIN Beard Kit, your all-in-one solution for premium beard care. This comprehensive set is designed to help you achieve your best look with ease. Inside, you'll find nourishing beard oil and balm to keep your facial hair soft and manageable. Achieve perfect styling with the included brush and comb. Maintain a healthy beard with our gentle beard wash and shampoo. It effectively cleanses without stripping natural oils, leaving your beard feeling fresh and revitalized. Looking for the ideal gift? This kit makes an excellent present for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Surprise the man in your life with a gift he'll truly appreciate. Encourage his self-care with this luxurious beard grooming set. It's designed for the modern man who values quality and a well-maintained appearance. Experience the difference with RAFFIN. We provide the tools and products for a superior beard grooming experience, making every day a good beard day. What we like? This kit provides everything you need for a well-groomed beard, including oil, balm, and brushes. The products are made with natural ingredients for healthy hair and skin. If you're looking for a comprehensive and high-quality beard care set, this is perfect for the man who wants to maintain his facial hair. What people say. The product is well-made and durable. It has a unique design that stands out. The functionality is excellent and easy to use. Number 3. Lara Laser Works Personalized Pocket Knife. Introducing a personalized pocket knife, expertly laser engraved with any name, date, or message. Make it truly his with a choice of 36 icons and 20 font styles. Searching for a meaningful gift? This custom knife is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's a thoughtful present he'll cherish for years to come. Crafted with a durable stainless steel blade and a comfortable wooden handle, this folding knife is built for everyday use. It's compact, lightweight, and fits perfectly in any pocket. Creating his unique gift is simple. Just select your desired icon and font, then provide the text for engraving. We meticulously review each order for a flawless finish. As a trusted brand for personalized gifts, we pride ourselves on customer satisfaction. Have questions? We're here to help and respond quickly to ensure your perfect gift. What we like? You can personalize this knife with a name, date, or message, making it truly unique. It features a durable stainless steel blade and a comfortable wooden handle. If you're searching for a deeply personal and practical gift for a son, dad, or any special man in your life, this custom engraved pocket knife is an excellent option. What people say. This is a lovely set of Father Christmas gifts, perfect for the festive season. The detail on the Father Christmas figures is exquisite, with traditional red and white costumes. Each gift includes a small, beautifully wrapped present, adding to the surprise element. Number 2. VEIYAILU Wood Phone Docking Station. Does your partner or father often misplace their essentials? This versatile docking station offers a simple solution to keep everything organized and within reach. It features dedicated spots for wallets, eyewear, watches, keys, and more. Say goodbye to clutter and embrace an organized lifestyle with this all-in-one organizer. Setting up this organizer is a breeze. With a clear guide and included screws, you'll have it assembled in no time, making organization hassle-free. Crafted from high-quality solid wood, this stand is built to last. Its polished surface complements any decor, adding a touch of elegance to your space. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This docking station is ideal for husbands, dads, sons, and friends. It's a perfect present for birthdays, holidays, and special occasions. Please note that accessories shown in images are not included with the product. What we like? This organizer helps keep all your daily essentials like keys, watches, and phones in one place. It's made from durable, solid wood and is easy to assemble. If you know someone who tends to misplace their belongings or likes a tidy space, this docking station is an ideal gift for them. What people say. The product is very well made and durable. It has a unique design that stands out from other products. The functionality is excellent and it performs as advertised. Number 1. Grilling Spice Set Gift. Elevate your backyard BBQs with this ultimate grilling spice set. It's the perfect way to add incredible flavor to all your favorite meats. Explore a world of taste with 20 distinct rubs and seasonings. From smoky steak to zesty chicken, there's a blend for every craving. Looking for a gift that truly satisfies? This variety pack is an ideal present for any dad, foodie, or pitmaster in your life. Achieve perfect results every time with these expertly crafted smoker seasonings. They're designed to enhance the natural flavors of your food. Make Father's Day, birthdays, or any gathering unforgettable. This set brings the authentic taste of pitmaster-level barbecue right to your home. Experience the rich, complex flavors that only a premium spice collection can deliver. Get ready for compliments on your grilling skills. What we like? This set offers a wide variety of 20 different barbecue rubs and seasonings to elevate any grilled dish. The blends are made with high-quality ingredients for amazing flavor. If you're looking to impress at your next backyard barbecue or want to give a gift to a true grill master, this spice set is a fantastic choice. What people say. The design is very cute and festive, perfect for Christmas. It's well made and feels durable, like it will last for many holidays. The size is just right for a tabletop decoration, not too big or too small. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.